వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ రాచర్ల ఎడ్యు వ్లాగ్స్. ఈరోజు సండే కాబట్టి మేము మా బార్బీ హౌస్తో ఆడుకోబోతున్నాము. అలాగే మీకు కూడా చూస్తాము ఎలా ఉందో చెప్పండి. Here you go, my Barbie dream house. And another one is a small one, what I love very much. I'm gonna show you one by one. And yeah, this is my hall. This is my Barbie's hall, and there are 3 sofas with 1 table and 2 clocks, 1 TV, and that's the Tommy. Yeah, that pet name is Tommy. And here we go. Let's go from the door. We can't go, right? So yeah, this is the kitchen. The Barbie is working, and the Barbie name is Chelsea. That's my Barbie. And yeah, here you go. This is the kitchen. And come, let's go up. Yeah, here you go. This is bedroom. Is it nice? And here you go. Here we have a nice laptop. And this is a studying table. Yeah. And here we have a nice mirror. Yeah, almara. Here you go. And I have made this. My father did this. Yeah, here that's a nice cute little suitcase, and that's a photo frame. So yeah, let's go to the another room from the door. Who's there? Let's go inside. Ta-da! This is a bathroom. Let's close the door. And yeah, here we go. That's the mat ones. And there's a bathtub and the western toilet. Let's go up. Here you go. And there's a big Barbie. Her name is Barbie. And yeah, that's a thermal collectibles. In this all are my toys. I'm going to show you right now. And yeah, I have opened. Here you go. Crabs. Mr. Crab. And the Mr. Fish. And there is a heart. Nice heart. There's a ring. This flower. Cinderella with no legs. And there is a cute little lock one. So I love this. So here you go. My favorite ones in this. I love this lock one and this crab one. And this is almara. Another almara. Yeah. That's Barbie. And we can sit right here and let's talk to her. Yeah, let's talk to her. Hi, Barbie. Hi. Coming to the next. Here we go. This is the last one. And there's a tent with 2 cars. Nice cars, right? So yeah. And here we go. We have these cookies to eat. And there is a swing too. Let me keep that swing. Nice. So yeah, here you go to the swing. And yeah, here you go. Is it nice? Yeah. I'm gonna show you again. This is made by my father. Ta-da! Oh, didn't do. And yeah, another house. I'm gonna show you that one. Their house is like 2 small ones, right? That is so small. And they are our Barbies, right? Yeah. Jack and Elsa, right? Yeah, they are Jack and Elsa. And let's go from there. That's TV room, TV unit, and 2 sofas. And here we go. That's a dining table area. And this one is kitchen. Oops. Here we go. And that's fridge, right? Yeah. And yeah, here you go. The nice bedroom. There's almara, nice bed, and piano too. And there's the bathroom with a toilet and the bathtub. Yeah, there is a sink with mirror. And outgoing there is a dog. Oops, let's go. So yeah, this is the one. So yeah, this is my doll house, of course hers also. It's a 2 members one. And yeah, let's play. It's time to wake up. Oh my god, my room is so messy. I have to clean my room. Okay, let me clean my room. And my photo frame should be there. Oh, my studying table is so heavy. Yeah, I have to clean. Phew, I'm done with my work and let me see in my mirror. Wow, I look so beautiful. And let's go into the bathroom. Oops, the mat went away. Let me close the door. Hey, my mat handles are the same color. No problem. Hey, close your eyes. And I'm done with the mat, so let's go down. I have to eat my breakfast also. I didn't eat right now. Phew. Oh, the mirror is falling down. So I have to keep it nice. So yeah, let's go. No steps, but I'm getting down. What should I eat? Yeah, my smoothie is right here. I have to drink it. Nice. Let me go outside. So tasty. Hey, hi, Tommy. Hi. Oh my god. Oh. Let's play afterwards, okay? Bye. Let me close the door. Oh, what should I do? Oops, I have to leave the online classes. Oh my god, I have to go. Oops, I'm sitting right here. Let me go up. And my nice laptop. I have to leave my online classes. What is this? Oh, I forgot it to bring my phone. No problem. And here you go, my laptop. And that is hot company. What I have made. Yeah, my smoothie. See, I have completed. No. Another one. Another subject. No problem. Yeah. See, I have done with my online classes and I have to even do my homework. No, I have to study. Yeah, I have to go too. Oh no, I'll go after because I have to clean my house. So yeah, let me clean. Tea is boiling every time. Smoothie. I have to keep this one up. Phew, done with my work. I'm so happy. Yeah, let's go in the kitchen. Done. Come on, let's go up. Oh, it's already clean. Let's go up. Oh my god, I can, you know what? I can sit right here. See. Yeah. I'm gonna fall. Oh my god. I'm happy. Hey, here's a teddy bear cookie. Let me open them. So good. And it's time for a nap again. Oh, I'm done with my sleep. Oh, let me go down. Yeah, I have to go to Tommy. Hey, Tommy, hi. Yeah, let's go now to Jack and Elsa's house. Come on, let's go. Go. Oh, my toys are right here. Hello, hi. I have to play with them. Are you ready to play? Yeah. What to play right now? No, I have to study. I'm sorry. Let's play night, okay? Okay. Come on, let's go, Tommy. No, you play with them, Tommy, okay? Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Yeah, come on, let's go. I have to read. Where is my chair? Oops, I have kept up. Yeah, come on. I have to study here. Oops, I have to. Ooh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. I have completed my English work. Let's do it maths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yay! I'm so happy. And now I have to do my play. No, my smoothie is left, so I have to drink that. Oh, let's go down. Yeah. Oh, I'm going to do this chocolate smoothie. It's amazing. Yep, I'm done with my smoothie. And what should I do? Yeah, I have to play with them. Now they have to come to my home because yesterday I have went them. So yeah, I have to call them. Jack, Elsa, come to my home with Tommy. Let's play together. Come on, let's go upstairs. Why should we play Jack, Tommy? Let's play hide and seek. Right?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice, Jack. Come on, let's play. Who is gonna be hide and who is gonna be seek? You two are gonna be Anne and Elsa are gonna be hide. You have to seek.
Thank you.
Come on. Close your eyes properly.
Come on, Elsa. Sorry, come on, Chelsea. I'm gonna hide.
Yeah, I'm gonna hide too. Where should I hide?
Yeah, I know, please.
You are. Where should I hide? I would have because I'm too. I have one. Hey, 1 minute. Don't come.
Okay.
I'm in this bathtub. No one can find me.
I'm gonna come in. Where is you? I know you're tired. No. No. Where? Yeah. No one. And this, no one. Sorry. And no one is there. I think under. No. Come on, let's go. Come on. I know where you are. You were there. Picked you. Oh, fine. Where is Chelsea? I don't know. But come on, let's check her. Where is she? Hey, let me see.
I'm here. And they are gonna out. I'm the winner in this game. Yay. Let me go.
Where is she?
Hi, you people are out. I'm the winner. And Elsa, you are out. So you have to seek. I have to hide.
Okay.
Let's go. Yeah, I had a nice place in this kitchen. Now let me go into that.
Yeah, I'm already hiding. This is... Yeah, I'm also hiding in this.
You can't breathe.
I don't breathe. I'm gonna coming. Where they are? Oh, why that was messy? Come on, let's see. I think here was Jack.
No.
Oh.
You saw me.
Come
yeah,
on, let's
fine.
check for Jack.
He's in this.
On the
I said your name.
Oh, I'm already win. Nose off. She doesn't find me.
Okay, fine. Yeah, it's already 9:30 p.m. So let's sleep, okay?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Phew. Good night. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Bye.